Today, our cities are flooded with illegal aliens. Americans are being squeezed out of the labor force and their jobs are taken. And by the way, you know who's taking the jobs that are created? 107% of those jobs are taken by illegal aliens. On day one of my new administration, I will seal the border, stop the invasion, and send Joe Biden's illegal aliens back home where they belong. Less than 4 years ago, we had the most secure, the best, the safest border by far in U.S. history. We ended catch and release. We built 571 miles of border wall. We were getting ready to add another 200 miles. We would have had it done in approximately 3 weeks. The wall was all built, all ready to be put up. And then we had a rigged election. You know, when they let, I think the real number is 15, 16 million people into our country, when they do that, we got a lot of work to do. They're poisoning the blood of our country.